Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off clipboard history in Windows 10. So whenever you perhaps copy text or images on your computer, it's automatically saved to the clipboard, so that's where it's coming from. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the tracking of that, so the historical copying and pasting what maybe has been on the clipboard. So we're going to go and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Type in settings. Best match should come back with settings right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. Left click on the system tile. And then scroll down the left side until you find clipboard and left click on it. Clipboard history, save multiple items for the clipboard to use later. So if you want to enable this, just turn it into the on position by toggling the oval one time by clicking inside the oval. If you want to turn it off, just turn it off by clicking inside the oval again. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.